Hi, are you a young ocean lover, keen on raising ocean awareness in the European Atlantic and the North Sea region? Submit your ideas for online concrete activities driving local action for the ocean and get a chance to be accredited as a young ocean advocate by the European Commission.
It can be an eco-tour, a webinar, a science show, a workshop, a marine talk, an exhibition, an art performance, or anything that highlights our ocean.
The Youth4Ocean forum will then help you develop your project or activity, and it will be showcased at the first Ocean Literacy Festival celebrating the Atlantic and North Sea region in Europe, which will take place on May 22 back-to-back with the European Maritime Day. So submit your activity for the festival, join us and unleash your creativity to act for the ocean. Bye!